Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll show you how to convert any photo to vector easily. At first, go to Nano Banana and upload your photo. Now paste this prompt. If you want the exact one I'm using, just comment below. I will add it in the video description. Once you have pasted the prompt, simply hit run and you will get a perfect vector artifact within a few seconds. And here is the result. It's super cool. But wait, this image is still not a real vector file yet. So let's convert it properly. Download the generated image and open it in Adobe Illustrator. Then go to the top menu, click on Window and Image Trace. Now set the preset to High Fidelity Photo. You can experiment with other settings too if you want. Once it's traced, just click on Expand and that's it. Now it's a real vector. You can resize it to any dimension, modify shapes, or recolor it freely without losing quality. Finally, save it as an AI file and you are done. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.